Hey everybody, how are you doing? This is Shomrat once again before you. So in this video you can see that where I am. You can see beside me Jude and Jude. Though you can't see because I made it blowers, okay? So I'm not talking about Jude. Today I'd like to talk about English. So how is your English journey? It has been long time that I'm not practicing. As a result, I'm forgetting day by day. So finally, I just came here and I have got some, forced. You could see that message from someone that you need to go on by your English. As a consequence, you can see me and my video that I'm sure representing with you. I hope that everyone's, English practicing is going well, and this is me, okay? Though I'm not continuing practicing right now, but I have to also practice because I believe that this is really powerful language through that we can connect it globally, and through that we can express our feeling with anyone in this world. That's why I would suggest you guys, if you would like to be a good speaker, you need to go on, you need to practice every day. That will help you a lot. So that's all for now. See ya. I love it.